dig deeper into market activities. Effiong Ekop is already in the studio for that. Effiong, welcome.
Yeah.
Finally, it's T+1, not T+2.
Reality. It's so sweet.
Yes.
Launching it yesterday and interacting with market operators. Everyone was highly excited. It was a very good scene. And it's good that our market is now coming up. You see, we are able to rub shoulders with those big financial markets of New York, Mexico, Canada, India. We are out there, man.
It's a good one. It's a good one, honestly.
Good. I think with T+1, if not mistaken, we are really the first in Africa. That's the first exchange, to operate this. That's what I know. Not even South Africa, not even Egypt, has done this.
So how's the market performance today?
Well, if you talk about the trading floor transactions, we are, still having a seller's market. The selling spree is on the floor. People sell to take profits out of their investments. And so you will really say that transactions are being depressed. That is understandable because a lot of room had been created, through reforms, and companies were reporting very good figures, and many of them gave bonuses, dividend, and so there had been a long period of time for those who needed money from investment to key in and then be repatriating their profits from that market. And that has been the case. And I also see the window of the treasury market being able to attract. Yes, people from capital market. So for now, since March and now, they have been able to enjoy benefits of their investments in the market. It's like the funds are moving out of the markets to the other side of it. It will return sometime, maybe July, August, before September. We will see markup to move on again. But a conscious person watching the market should know that he should skillfully now enter a particular sector now as the prices begin to come down, especially in those big companies that you've been eyeing for a very long time. You just see the margins coming down, so you can just move in. That's the way the stock market moves. It doesn't take a particular direction, or it doesn't stay one place at a time. So since the beginning of the year, we've been talking that prices are up, prices are up, prices are up. So now prices have steadied, prices are beginning to come down. So what actions are you taking? So if you talk with your financial advisor, your stockbroker, you'll be able to guide you which of the companies that you'll be able to enter. And then you wait. When the trade cycle comes in, you'll be able to know what you get out of your investments.
That is really a very good one.
So today's transactions, you find that those companies that are depressing transaction, PZ, is a household name.
It is.
Then Trans Express. PZ lost as much as 10% out of its share price. That is to talk about the level at which people move in, to upload their holdings, for cash. Then Transcend's Place, more than 9%, just like that. And so all of them combined.
Just 1 minute. Let's take this commercial break, and we'll come back to wrap up the show.
Our purpose is very clear: to improve lives and transform the society. For us,
all right, thank you so much for staying tuned. Now, Effiong, you were making a point.
Presently, we see the index down 0.22%.
At the moment?
Yes. So,
yesterday was also, we closed in right yesterday.
Exactly. Yes, even from Wednesday, I've told you that we are having a seller's, time. So it's been coming down. But we have up to 4 p.m. before we end transactions. And maybe we may still have the index come down for it to turn green I seriously doubt. If you ask me, I think we are going to close the day in red. But
Wow.
imagine it's not so much.
It's not so much, right?
Not so much. It may begin to still come down to a little average point, because it is showing the attitude that investors are bringing, to the transaction room.
That's our show today. Thank you so much. I'm so excited about the T+1 thing. Honestly,
it's a great
quick money.
project.
Let's get our money.
Yes.
Fast.
You order that your stock be sold today.
Yes.
You get the money tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
All right, well, indeed, that's our package today. Thank you so much for being a part of it. Well, we'll see tomorrow. The conversation continues all around the world of business. Enjoy the rest of your day and be safe. Get the cash.